Good morning, guys. Today I am showering, I'm getting ready, and I started my day off with a refreshing shower. Yes, so today we are going to figure out how I'm going to look better by going to Goodwill because I don't want to spend money. Alright, I'll see you guys.
And both. Cries. That's the price.
What is it called? Saint something.
Saint Vincent de Paul.
Wow. Oh. I don't like wearing skirts because I chafe a lot. Like my thighs always hurt. Should I get our wedding dress?
Bye now. Why are you doing it red?
I like this. That's good. That's all. That's what got me. That's where I was like, yeah. To an acai place.
Where we at?
Long Beach.
Boring.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Take care. Look. These are nice. These are.
Whole Foods?
I'm down. I'm down for Whole Foods. And we can get snacks for the beach. Electrolytes. Make sure you guys are always having well-balanced electrolyte counts. Or we'll just drink Sisters.
Yeah, we'll just drink Sisters. What'd you get? What is that? A little watermelon. What'd you get?
Melon peach Italian soda.
Yeah, I think we're gonna drink that one instead.
Huh?
I think we're gonna drink that one instead.
Try it. These are packed. There's chia seeds, sunflower seeds, flakes, chocolate flakes, fruit flakes. I don't remember what the other ones are called. Sesame seeds? It's like oddly good.
Too much going on. I love it.
What do you guys think? Is it bomb? It's not as successful as we thought it would be because everything's either really picked out or honestly they're not like taking out all their inventory because they have certain amount of items outside since like COVID. So we made a pit stop to beautiful Long Beach, but it's kind of cold. I don't know, Brianna went in like nothing. You wanna go check it out? I love how they love this water more than the like San Diego's water. It's not that bad. There's literally no thrifting in this whole thing. We're just chilling. We're vibing. It's just a day of vibe. Alright, bye. Gotta go. Your shoes. Okay, we're back here at the Big Catch Seafood. Let's see how it takes. You know, we are always comparing this to the Boiling Crab in Burbank, which is my favorite spot. So let's see if this one compares to the quality we like. Unlike that Seattle one, That one didn't take. It's not even on the radar. This already looks better than the other one. Me every time I eat. Here's gonna become a professional videographer. I'm ready. Alright, she's killing it. Oh shoot, I forgot to put my bib on. I guess we got a corn. Oh, it's hot. This is juicy. When there's nothing. That's freaking
Literally,
sad.
that's how all of them are.
No way, they're probably all in the bottom.
Yeah, look.
It's just for decoration.
Whoa.
Hey, kid, use a thing.
I got too lazy.
Or you're gonna freaking knock your teeth out.
I think that's like your biggest fear with me. Oh my god, I'm a mess. Nice. Oh my god. That's a lobster body? Lobster. Dude, I'm freaking nasty. It tastes different. So the lobster is out. Sorry. It was too rubbery. Maybe it wasn't cooked well. Ooh, they would freaking kill the game here if they had salt and pepper. Crawfish. The thing I don't like about crawfish is it has barely any meat. Comment down below if you guys always eat just the tail, or do you guys eat the whole body thing? Because that's, I don't like. Yeah. I don't like the whole body thing because it kind of tastes weird. Because it's like the freaking digestive system in there. So there we go. We got the crawfish. Freaking meaty. That's like the biggest crawfish little tail I found. If it was just a little spicier, it would have like really seasoned the meat way better. Alright, here's a potato. Let's see if it's cooked well. Just need salt. That's a mussel, right? No, yeah.
That's a mussel.
No, because I took mussels out.
That's it's all in there. That's too big for a clam.
Oh, well, mussel fell in. The mussel's really good. Clam.
Okay, maybe that's more.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ooh. Wait, never mind. I'm thinking of my cousin. That's weird. It's beefy. Ooh.
This lobster is shade. It's not good lobster.
So Darian said it's not good lobster. Let's check it out. Wait, hold on. Let me put some salt in it.
That's a lot of salt.
It's pepper.
What's up? Right here. Dump it in there again.
Alright, here we go. Oh my god, I'm so buttered out. Pepper.
It's really rubbery.
That was not convincing at all. Did you like it? Alright, we're done. Dude, I look tan now. Alright, we finished eating, so let me show you what the after all looks like. That's Darian's pile, my pile, Cesar's pile, which is pretty big. Mine just has a lot of crawfish. And look at little Brianna's pile. Oh, I give the fries a really good rating.
Psych. They don't have no seasoning.
Oh, well, that's true, but they're good. I like the flavor of the crab. I just wish it was king crab and shrimp. That was my favorite two things. And the corn. The corn was good. Oh, the crawfish had really good flavor. But that's it. Alright guys, so back on my video. That's been forever. Today's like the next day. And yeah. So let me show you what we got. So my stylist, Brianna, helped me. These pants. They look ugly in picture, but I feel like it might have a better outcome. I kind of am trying to go for like what you would imagine like streetwear, like fancy streetwear, like where girls are like wearing like freaking dress pants with like cool short tops. That's what I'm going for. Like fancy, but like I'm going for like a sophisticated look, but like an. I also don't want to be fat. Oh no, this is Brianna's size. Not sophisticated. Hiding. Second thing we found was these like loose pants from Zara. Okay, I really need to get athletic again because you could see all my like ass dimples. These are probably gonna turn into PJs. I only got them because they were from Zara, honestly, and they look really comfy. And Brianna was like, I'm gonna snatch them if you don't take them. So I was like, girl, don't tell me twice. This one's kind of, I don't know if I like it honestly, but like Brianna said she thought it was cute because the material was cool. So the material is cool, but I don't know how I actually feel about this item. Other than like, it's like a suede material, it's kind of cool. These are cool because I like the back. It reminds me of like freaking, like if I was like in like the Spice Girls, like I'm like a Spice Girl with like these pants with a short top, like a white top. I don't know if they're gonna fit because like I kind of like, I gained weight during this quarantine. Yeah, they're gonna fit. Okay, anyways. So it's gonna fit my butt maybe.
Maybe might do some stomach, some like stomach.
I really like the stitching on there. I'm gonna look like I'm going somewhere, like I'm going places. Why do I look like a potato? Right. Yeah, good morning. So yeah, that's, oh wait, just get out of the one time you're looking at this. So that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, you comment, like, subscribe down below, and yep. Also, I'll see you guys later. You comment anything you guys want me to post later or whatever. Well, I just woke up. I don't know what I'm saying. So, bye. Take care.